हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, हम पढ़ेंगे क्या पढ़ेंगे आज rational number addition, subtraction and multiplication division. We'll discuss addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Okay, so this one I'll start here. This one both addition. First I will start addition. So different numbers have to add. Suppose look at here, 1 by 3 plus 5 by 3. In this case, denominator should be same. If the denominator is same, then you can add directly the numerator. How? This is directly you can write 3, answer 6. Clear? So then 1 by 5 plus or 7 by 5 plus 3 by 5. Answer directly 10 by 5. Okay? 7 by 15 plus 1 by 15. Answer 8 by 15. Clear? This is the denominator same means directly you add the numerator. But if the numerator same, this is type 1. Okay? Then this is your type 1. This is type 1. Then type 2. What is type 2? Type 2, suppose 3 by 5 plus 3 by 6. So in this case what will happen? So 3 by 5, 3 by 5, 6, if you take LCM, here also if you take LCM, so this is equal to, you have to take LCM, 5 and 6. 5 and 6 LCM is 30, more multiply 30, right? So 6 into 3, that is 18, plus again 5 into 3, 15. Clear? You have to multiply the denominator, then final answer will be at once 33. 33 by 30. Okay? Or you can do like this. But 3 is taken as common. 1 by 5 plus 1 by 6. Clear? So 1 by 5, 1 by 6. So in this case, what we do? So this is equal to 3 into, finally same thing. This is your 30. This is 6 plus 11, 6 plus 5. That is equal to 3 into 11 by 30. Finally 33 by 30. So here better you take directly LCM, multiply LCM with denominators. Then or this number you have to multiply here, this number you have to multiply here. Okay. One more, that is suppose 6 by 10 plus 5 by 20. Okay. So how can you solve this? This 10 and 20, you can write LCM is 10 and 20, LCM is 20. Right? So 20 divided by 10, answer is 2. So 20 divided by 10, answer is 2. So 6 into 2 plus 20 divided by 20, answer is 1. So 5 into 1. Understood? So this is 12 plus 5 divided by 20. That is equal to 17 by 20. Okay. So this number, suppose this is 3. So this number, or you can do like this. Suppose LCM is equal to directly 20 into 10. That is 200. That is 200. So here 20 into 6, 120. Here 10 into 5, 50. Answer 170 divided by 200. Bus. Understood? 17 by 20. This is simplified. Okay. Directly if you multiply, then also at the end you have to make it simplified. Okay. Look at the board clearly. I'll check whether visible or not visible. Okay. Then you say you do subtraction. Subtraction different methods. Suppose 3 by 5 minus 1 by 6. Here that is 5 by 7 minus 1 by 7. Here 8 by 15 minus 9 by 30. Okay. So look at here. हेलो, हाँ ये हो गया, दिखाई दे रहा है और दिखाई दे रहा है, ठीक है. तो देखो ये यहाँ पे कैसा है, अंडरस्टूड. सो 5 6 is directly you can write here 5 6 30. 5 into 6, here 3 into 6 minus 5 into 1. Next this is equal to 30, then 18, then 5, then 15, then 30. Answer. तो simplify. This is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. ये another question. This is your question number 1. Okay. This is your question number 2. ये directly LCM same number. The same is LCM 7. तो 5 minus 1 that is equal to 4 by 7. ये तो बहुत easy. तो ये वाला डायरेक्टली एलसीएम हम डायरेक्ट ले सकते हैं 15 ऑन 30 ये एलसीएम लोएस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल्स सो हियर 5 3s are 15 5 6 are again 3 1s are 3 3 2s are therefore 5 into 3 into 1 into 2 तो फाइनली एलसीएम 30 तो ये एलसीएम 30 ले लिया ओके देन 30 डिवाइडेड 15 यहाँ पे 30 डिवाइड बाय 15 जो आंसर मिलेगा दैट इज इक्वल टू 8 माइनस ये 30 ये 30 डिवाइड बाय 30 देन इनटू 9 फाइनली दिस 30 डिवाइड बाय 2 2 इनटू 8 माइनस 1 इनटू 9 बाय 30 देन 16 माइनस 9 by 30 finally 7 by 30 okay so this is by taking LCM directly multiply then taking also here also you can do like this by multiplying okay look at the same question I will do here okay this question also I will do here this is solution okay so this is 8 by 15 this is LCM this is equal to 15 450 multiplied 240 minus 135 okay multiply this one then 30 into 8 then 15 into 9 this is 15 into 9 okay then 240 135 140 so this is equal to 140 I think so 140 no the 5 then 0 okay 135 plus 15 that is equal to 240 okay divided by 450 okay then you cut 15 7s are 15 3s are आगे आंसर ये भी चलेगा ये आंसर 7 by 30 ये also 7 by 30 okay this is another question no confusion this is another question okay this answer is here तो ये वाला हो गया understood now the subtraction addition also finished now let's discuss multiplication and division okay last multiplication तो multiplication हम करेंगे okay 2 by 5 into 6 by 7 directly numerator this is equal to 12 35 finished 7 by 5 minus into 4 by 9 what is this minus plus minus 28 45 clear minus 7 by 5 into minus 4 by 7 what is this minus 28 divided by minus 35 clear minus 5 by 4 into minus 7 by 9 that is equal to 35 divided by 36 okay तो ये finished ये सही होगा then division 2 by 5 divided by suppose 6 by 7 ये this is a division this is multiplication okay so ध्यान दिए this is equal to 2 by 5 into Okay, the denominator on if the fraction is division is there, then second number, okay, second number to have to change into its reciprocal and the sign will be multiplied. This 8 symbol को division को multiply कर दो, ऐसा change कर दो 6 में 7 कर दो. Okay, so now answer will be 14 by 30. Okay, or simplify 2 7 ja 2 15 ja 7 by 15. Clear? Similarly one more. Suppose minus 7 by 5 divided by 4 by 9. Then minus 7 by 5 into 9 by 4. 63 by 20. Clear? Multiplication, division, clear. Next video will discuss number line. Okay? The number line हम कौन करेगा? तरह के मंदिर नंबर को शो करेगा. सुना देखा. Already हम पढ़ी थी. देखिए वो कौन सर्च करेगा. को चैनल ले थी वो हमारा. मतलब नंबर लाइन में already ही मतलब अपना आता है. Second time करेगा. Okay? ये ठीक ठाक लगे ला. बड़े बुझ पाला. तले निश्चित है सब्सक्राइब करेगा, शेयर करेगा. और बेल आइकन दबाइगा. बाकी रहला ओडिशा क्वेश्चन बैंक ता डाउनलोड करेगा. सेटा सब प्रकार वीडियो रही है. आज मोर देहटा भल लागु सेते टिके डाउन लागुचे पहले किसी व्यस्त भावी हनी तो सारा जीवन पढ़ी पारते बाकी भल पढ़ू ना देहटा टे भल लागु किंतु फिर भी पढ़ुचे से लागली जरवा हेतला शिक्षा जहाँ भी हो आज नहीं आओ धीरे धीरे करके डिस्कस करूँ मुझे भाव से बुझी पार किसी प्रॉब्लम नहीं आराम से बुझी पार. ओके, सो प्लीज अटेंशन एंड प्लीज सब्सक्राइब शेयर एंड कमेंट जब किसी प्रॉब्लम है डाउट है कमेंट निश्चय लिखो. ओके.